And welcome into Bon Appetit. If you've watched the show for the past couple of weeks, you saw some wonderful dishes that were prepared using olive oil and vinegars, two items that are very good for you from a health perspective. 2 weeks ago, we did kebabs, and last week we did a wonderful salad, a salad that can be a meal. Ed Gannon's here from the Vintage Olive, located in Montgomery off of Vaughan Road in the Pepper Tree Shopping Center.
That's correct.
They're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 in the morning till 6 at night.
Absolutely.
And you're also open by special appointment for some tasting parties. Tell the viewers a little bit about how the tasting parties work.
Yeah, they're a lot of fun.
And how many
to do.
people you can invite in.
We usually average between 12 and 20.
Wow.
And because we are small and we cook everything on site. So, we call them private tastings, but you'll get appetizers and salads and a couple of meats and vegetables and dessert.
Wow.
We do all the setups. And we give you recipe cards and show you how we do everything. So they're a lot of fun. We just started, with all the COVID stuff, we didn't do them for a while, but we're back booking tastings.
And so you can call. The other thing we need to let our viewers know, they have a website and a Facebook page. And you can go to those because the different recipes they have, you can find them there. Or there may be information also on the website and Facebook about the private tastings too.
Yeah, they're on the website. There's information about all that. And
Right.
the Facebook page is fun because we call it backyard cooking. It's usually stuff that we do in the backyard that anybody can do.
Right, which is
a lot
nice.
of
That's
fun.
what we did here. Now, Ed, we were talking about the fact that it not only is vinegar and oil a great taste and a great way to enhance anything you're cooking, but it has good medicinal value to your body too, right?
Oh,
Some
absolutely.
people will take a teaspoon of olive oil early in the morning as the first things they put in their body.
Yep, a lot of people buy it's called the high poly oil, high polyphenols. That's all the good qualities. But people do a tablespoon in the morning on an empty stomach. But as long as you get it in your diet, and by the way, 75% of the grocery store olive oils that say extra virgin aren't because they don't regulate it. So ours are what they are advertised to be. The vinegars are just as healthy. Women will put a little bottle of high poly oil in the shower and use it like a lotion because it's so good for your skin.
Yeah, that's right. The biggest organ on your body, by the way, is your skin.
That's right.
It's the biggest organ, and it absorbs both good and bad. And if you can put more good into you, the better off you're going to be.
But it's a delicious way to cook healthy without adding mayonnaise dressings and a lot of saturated fats. Because all the fats in the olive oils are all the good kind of fats that help lower cholesterol, help with digestion and skin coat, hair coat, the whole thing. And they're delicious.
And you can get the different vinegars and oils in either smaller bottles, if you want a variety, or they come in larger bottles also. And of course, the magic word is most of them are put in this
Fusti.
Fusti. Remember the Fusti from
It's
way
the
back.
Fusti.
And the Fusti is sitting there full of different vinegars and oils, and you get a little cup, and you can go and take a taste and see if you like it. And actually what they can do is mix a couple of different tastes together, so you're almost creating your own taste. But in many cases, if you read the label on the bottle, it'll tell you what all is inside this bottle. And basically, a lot of things are ready for you to use, which is great.
And we also have specialty oils, like we have a black truffle oil and a toasted sesame seed oil. So we have specialty oils, we call it too, for the fancy cooks.
Right, and that makes it nice.
And 50 different hand-blended seasonings that are really delicious.
That's what I was going to say. I got from you in the jar one of the best steak seasonings we've ever used. And they're fabulous on hamburgers also. We did some hamburgers on Memorial Day weekend, and everybody just raved about them. And I said, well, it wasn't me. It was the seasoning that I put on there.
That was probably the herbal sea salt.
What is this seasoning over here? Because we put it on the salad.
Yeah, we put the salad
and
topper.
You sell a lot of these different seasonings.
We have about 50 different ones.
Wow.
So the salad topper, it's got black pepper, lemon peel, chives, some toasted sesame seed, garlic, a little bit of everything in it. But it's a delicious way just to top off a salad. But because we also have them for, every other kind. Add it to a can of soup. That's another thing about the olive oils and vinegars. Buy a can of field peas and snaps and put a little roasted onion, cilantro, olive oil in it and let it simmer. Changes it to a gourmet meal.
And another way, everybody's healthy and they want to get you some good, pure, good drinking water. Add some vinegar to it It's a flavored vinegar, and you've got a drink that you're going to enjoy. And it's
Or
gonna
add
be
it to
good
club
for you.
soda. Have a
Oh
seltzer.
yeah, club soda. It's a great way to do it.
Yeah, lemon balsamic vinegar is just a good lemon drink. We have lemongrass mint. You can add to like unsweet tea.
Oh yeah,
For 10 calories, you get mint tea.
it's neat. It's a great way to do
Plus
it.
all the health benefits.
That's right. Well, it's the Vintage Olive. They're located in the Peppertree Shopping Center off of Vaughan Road. Open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 in the morning till 6 in the afternoon. Go by and visit and just plan to spend some time. Because when you go in there, you can't just say, well, I want to taste one of these and move. You want to taste a lot of the things that are there. And we'll be right back right after this.